Unpacking, You Might Need This, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase that you might come across in daily conversations, movies, or books. You might need this. Understanding such phrases is crucial for mastering the English language, as they add nuance to your communication. Let's explore what this phrase means, how to use it correctly, and in what context it might appear. The phrase, "you might need this," is often used in English to offer something to someone, suggesting that the item or advice being given could be useful to them either immediately or at some point in the future. The word might implies a possibility or potential need, rather than a certainty. This makes the phrase a polite or considerate way of offering help or providing something without assuming too much about the other person's needs or situation. You refers to the person being spoken to. Might indicates a possibility or potentiality, making the offer seem less direct or imposing. Need implies that there could be a situation where the person finds what is being offered useful or necessary. This is the object, advice, or assistance being offered. Combining these elements, the phrase is used to suggest gently that what is being offered might be useful, without any presumption. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in various contexts. 1. When providing a tool or resource. If someone is about to start a task, and you offer them a tool by saying, "You might need this," it shows foresight and helpfulness. 2. In advice-giving situations. Before someone goes on a trip, giving them a guidebook or map and saying, "You might need this," is a way of being supportive without being pushy. 3. Offering support or help. If someone is going through a tough time, handing them a list of emergency contacts or supportive resources with a "you might need this" implies empathy and care. Understanding when and how to use "you might need this" is key. To be helpful without being overbearing. It allows you to offer assistance or resources in a way that respects the other person's autonomy. In uncertain situations, when you're not sure if your offer will be needed but want to ensure the other person has it just in case. To show consideration and thoughtfulness, it demonstrates that you're thinking about the other person's needs and situations. And there you have it, a complete guide to understanding and using the phrase, "you might need this." Remember, mastering such phrases will not only enhance your English language skills but also help you navigate social interactions more effectively. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.